we'll go to our absolute value graphs, absolute value. Now we have two graphs here. Let's look at the first graph. I'll call that 1 and this one 2. Graph 1, we can see it goes across 1, down 1, across 1, down 1. And so there's no stretching. I know that that graph is y equals an x graph, but it has been translated. Now it's negative because it's upside down like the parabola. And it's moved from 0, 0 here. It's gone across 11. So across 11 means I have y equals negative. Now it's x minus 11. Those are my brackets. And it's gone up here to 11. So it's gone up 11. And this is for this graph, which its domain is from x goes from 5, 6, 7, 8 to 14. That's my domain for that graph. For the second graph, graph number 2, let's look at, this is all in the way here, isn't it? It's moved, graph number 2 has moved across 17, so it's y equals negative x minus 17, and it's also moved up 11, so it's plus 11 there. And the domain of this graph, my x is between 14 and 20, 14, 20, like that. So that's my absolute value graphs. I've got a domain and equation for each. It's my hyperbola, and we can see an asymptote. It's only half, of course, the other half has been cut out, but you can see the asymptote here. The line never quite reaches, so I can say that I have asymptotes at, now my y value on the y-axis is 0, so at y equals 0, and my x value is 10, at x equals 10. I have two asymptotes. So from 0, 0, from this point at 0, 0, the asymptotes have moved to the right 10. They've moved over to here. So my general formula, the function for, we've got y equals a over x. Now we've moved to the right 10, so we're now y equals a over x minus 10. And to find the equation, remember how to find the equation here, we look for a point from our new asymptote. We go across and up 1 here. So I've gone across 2, 4, 6. I've got across 8 and up 1. So my a is 8 times 1. If this was m and this was n, m times n equals 8 times 1. So y equals 8 over x minus 10. That's the equation there. I've named my asymptotes, and the domain, my x, is greater than 10. X is greater than 10 and not equal to 10. X does not equal 10. Okay, so that's the first part of your assessment, those kind of graphs.